Hello guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we wrote some example and it was working fine. This was the output. So we got three tables: book table, library table, and combination of library and book table. So in book table we got two entries. In library table we got one entry, and then mappings of both tables. So one is for this table, and one two is for ID one of library get mapped for book ID one and two. So that's how it works out. But if you watch closely, you can see there are certain things which is kind of annoying. One thing is when we about to save the record, so we were like saving all objects. Just assume if we have like hundreds object of books, like it's a list of books. So it can have one object of book, or it can have hundreds or millions of books. So definitely this is not the best approach, right? We never know how many objects we're getting. So calling save method that many times, that's not going to work, right? So that's one thing. Next, the table names. What's the table name here? It's let me go back here. So library table, book table, that is also not up to the mark. It just auto generated name, so we can also customize that. Plus then the column names of this table, library ID and books ID. So that we can fix by using some more annotations, which is provided by Hibernate. And yeah, there's some more attention which we have to learn. So this is the overall idea. So in this video, let's fix this table, and later we will try to save this thing in a more elegant way, not like calling save method multiple times for that entity. So, and one more thing is missing, that in when we started this one to many, so it was more like one to many. We have not introduced from book side, like once we have a book object, so how it is mapped with library class, so that we also discuss. So there are lots of thing, or you can say pieces, which are missing in this whole mapping. It was just a example which I ran and it was successful. That's one thing. But if you have to actually achieve one to many in more elegant way, so this is not the way, right? We are just learning it. So let me do one thing. um, Let me just point them out what we have to fix. First of all, font is okay. So first thing is the table name. Let's just note what we are missing here. So first thing is refactor the table name, right? Next, uh, which table we are talking about? This third table, library table, this one, table name and its column name as well, column names. Next, um, how to save. See, we have two tables, entity classes, book and library. So we were saving book object multiple times because we have a list of it. So how to save secondary table here? Secondary table, right? We are just counting that table as secondary table. Okay, lots of typos. Secondary table, that is book in elegant way, right? Okay, next, what is bidirectional, right? This is also missing here. Bidirectional mapping in one to many mapping, right? In Hibernate. So we have to discuss all 3 points in our next video. So that will complete our one to many plus many to one mapping. So till then, um, just learn all this concept. Next video. Bye bye.